Heuchera Delta Dawn, a gardener's guide by Ferb Vu. For those seeking a pop of color and year-round interest in their gardens, the Heuchera Delta Dawn is a champion. This perennial, also known as coral bells, boasts a captivating display of foliage that transforms throughout the seasons. Here, I'll answer some of the most common questions gardeners have about this captivating plant. What makes Heuchera Delta Dawn special? The Delta Dawn's magic lies in its kaleidoscopic leaves. They emerge in shades of red and gold, a fiery sunrise in miniature. As the season progresses, the foliage matures into a deep green canvas, splashed with vibrant red veins that intensify in late spring and early summer. This mesmerizing contrast, like a delta river carving its path through lush greenery, is what inspired its name. Beyond its captivating looks, the Delta Dawn is a low-maintenance charmer. It's a clump-forming perennial, reaching a mature height of 8 to 12 inches and a spread of 12 to 18 inches. This compact size makes it ideal for borders, containers, or edging along walkways. Here are some key features that make the Delta Dawn a standout. Vibrant, year-round foliage. Unlike many perennials whose beauty fades after flowering, the Delta Dawn's foliage remains the star of the show. Adaptable to light conditions, it thrives in part shade to full shade, making it perfect for those challenging areas under trees or structures. While it tolerates full sun, consistent moisture is crucial in these conditions. Low maintenance. Once established, the Delta Dawn is drought-tolerant and requires minimal care. Deer and rabbit resistant. Gardeners rejoice. This beauty is unpalatable to these pesky herbivores. How to care for Heuchera Delta Dawn. Planting your Delta Dawn is a breeze. Choose a well-drained location with rich, moist soil. If your soil is heavy clay, amend it with compost or organic matter to improve drainage. Spacing. Plant your Delta Dawn at a distance of 12 to 18 inches apart to allow for proper growth. Watering. Water regularly, especially during the first growing season, to ensure the roots establish well. Once established, Delta Dawn is surprisingly drought-tolerant. Fertilizing. A light feeding of balanced fertilizer in early spring can encourage healthy growth. Deadheading. While the airy white flowers that appear in late spring to early summer are charming, deadheading spent blooms can promote better foliage production. With minimal effort, you'll be rewarded with a thriving Heuchera Delta Dawn that adds a touch of elegance to your garden. How cold-hardy is the Delta Dawn? This beauty is a trooper, thriving in USDA hardiness zones 4 to 9. This means it can withstand winter temperatures as low as -30 degrees Fahrenheit, -34 degrees Celsius. Does Heuchera Delta Dawn need to be divided? Over time, your Delta Dawn may become crowded. Dividing it every 3 to 4 years helps maintain its vigor and encourages bushier growth. The best time to divide is in early spring or fall. Can Heuchera Delta Dawn be grown indoors? While not ideal, Delta Dawn can be grown indoors in a container with bright, indirect light. However, it will likely require more frequent watering and may not reach its full potential. What are some good companion plants for Heuchera Delta Dawn? Delta Dawn pairs beautifully with other shade-loving plants like ferns, hostas, and Hakanekloa grass. For a touch of color, consider adding spring bulbs like tulips or daffodils. Heuchera Delta Dawn versus other coral bells. The world of coral bells offers a dazzling array of varieties, each with unique characteristics. Here's a quick comparison of Delta Dawn with two popular choices. Heuchera Miracle. Compared to Delta Dawn, Miracle is a smaller plant with vibrant lime green foliage. It thrives in full to part shade but may require more consistent moisture, especially in hot climates. Overall, Delta Dawn offers a more vigorous growth habit and bolder foliage color. Heuchera Tiramisu. This variety boasts a stunning combination of creamy white, green, and pink leaves. However, its foliage color tends to fade in intense summer heat. Delta Dawn offers a more reliable color display and better heat tolerance. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific gardening needs and desired aesthetics. By following these simple tips, you can cultivate a thriving Heuchera Delta Dawn that injects vibrant color and drama into your garden all season long.